Hey y'all, it's Chrissy Faith here and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do my hibiscus face scrub. And what we're going to need is sugar, coconut oil, hibiscus powder, vitamin E. So we're going to be using frankincense essential oil and also lemon essential oil. Bam. So the sugar is the exfoliator. We're going to be using the coconut oil for the moisturizing. Vitamin E is great for moisturizing and has healing properties. If you have sores, cuts, it helps with giving your skin an even tone. The lemon oil will also help with any blemishes or dark marks or any hyperpigmentation you have. And the frankincense is for anti-aging. So let's get to it. So we're gonna pour about a cup of sugar, tablespoon of coconut oil, probably a tablespoon and a half. Then I'm just gonna I don't know how much that is. Just gonna pour that in there. Vitamin E oil is great for stretch marks too. So I may be using this on my body as well. Bam. And lastly, some lemon oil. I'm just going to do 10 drops of that. Let's mix it up. Let's see what we have. I think I might add a little bit more vitamin E oil. Excuse me, Zaya. A little bit more vitamin E. It's not too thick, but it is thick. But it has a little wetness to it, which I like. It smells good. That's the hibiscus face scrub. There we go. So I have my mixture here, and I'm going to store it in this container. And you definitely want to do this on clean skin. So this is my skin after the scrub. It feels so soft and moisturized. Like I feel like I don't even have to put lotion on after. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. So I'm gonna continue to do this, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye. Where you at? Come on. Say bye. Bye, y'all.